Hey guys, it's me. I've been reading all of your comments and was watching you guys support me and telling me that you all love my work and that I should keep on posting more and more. It felt so good that I had to finally show up here and say thanks to all of you for being a part of my channel and showing me all the love. It means a lot to me. Well, before many of you guys were wondering who might be this guy and why is he using the robotic voice? Trust me, I've been receiving a lot of texts on my Facebook, my Insta, and even in the comments, you all been telling me to show up in your own videos or at least use your own voice. Well, finally, I felt that I should be giving you guys even more time, and I'm here now. Well, I won't be taking a lot of your time today. I'm just here to meet you guys. In the end, a big thanks to all of my subscribers, to all of my Patreons, to all those who've been checking out my work on Gumroad, and to all of you for being a part of my channel. You guys are the best. I love you all. Well, this is it for today. See you on my next video. Take care till then and happy blending.